Hello everyone, today in this video we are going to discuss the components of the blood. Firstly, the learning points state the role of blood in the human body, describe the four components of the blood, explain the function of each component. Let's start. What is the role of blood? Blood carries substances around the body. It transports useful substances such as glucose and oxygen, as well as waste products such as carbon dioxide. Quite simple and easy. Next, we have the components of the blood, which are red blood cells, white blood cells, plasma, platelets. Here is the shape of each of them. Firstly, red blood cells. Role and function. Red blood cells carry oxygen from the lungs, around the body to every cell. Also, they contain a chemical called hemoglobin which binds to oxygen in order to carry it in the blood. Description: biconcave disc shape. No nucleus. Percentage: 44% of the blood is red blood cells. Secondly, white blood cells. Let's start by role and function. White blood cells are a key part of the immune system. Moreover, they fight off pathogenic diseases and infections. Lastly, they are made in the bone marrow. Description: do not have a fixed shape, can change their form, and there are two types: lymphocytes which release antibodies and phagocytes which engulf bacteria. Percentage: less than 1% of the blood is white blood cells. Then we have blood plasma. Role and function: the plasma carries the red blood cells, white blood cells and platelets around the body. It also contains hormones, glucose, enzymes and waste products. Description: pale yellow, liquid. Percentage: 55% of the blood is plasma. At the end, we have platelets. Role and function: platelets form scabs to stop cuts from bleeding, by releasing thrombin enzyme which change the soluble fibrinogen into insoluble fibrin to form a scab to trap blood cells, forming a mesh to stop bleeding and prevent pathogens from entering. They are made in the bone marrow also. Description: small colorless fragments of cells. Percentage: less than 1% of the blood is platelets. That's it. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, so like, share and subscribe for more videos like this, and drop me in the comments if you want to ask questions.